Good morning, children. Our today's topic is addition. So before doing it, I want to make aware about some important terms. So see here. One numeral is in front of you and I have made it sum. First digit, the digits are 7, 4, 5, 2, 8 and 9. How can we read these digits according to their periods? So firstly I will mark the period first by leaving 3 digit. I put comma here and by 2 I put comma here. So this is ones place, this is thousand, this one lakh. And I have marked here places also. Now I will read it 7,45,289 and I have added in this 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 9. Again I will mark separated by commas. I will mark the period. Now I will read it 3,21,679. Then now I added this. For addition, what is the first step? Firstly, we will add the ones place digit. So 9 plus 9, we will keep 9 in our mind, and this 9 also we will keep in mind because now you are in class 4. So no need to count on the fingers, count in your mind. 9 plus 9, it become 18. So 8 I have written here and 1 carried. 8 plus 1 carry 9. 9 plus 7. You can count on your fingers but try to count later on in your mind. 9 plus 7. 7 you can count on your fingers. It will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 I have written here. 1 carry. Now 2 and 1, 3. You can take the bigger digit, then it become easy. 6 and 1, 7. 7 keep on in your mind and 2 you can count on your fingers. 8, 9. So it become 9 here. 5 and 1, 6. 4 and 2, 6. 7 and 3, 10. Again separate by commas. Now it will be ones, thousand, lakhs. You can read it 10 lakh 66,968. Now the given this is given number 7,45,289. It was given. What we had add in this? We have added 3,21,679. What is called this? This is called addend. So what is addend? The number being added are called addends. When in any given number we add other number, so that other number is called addend. Its spelling is ADDENDS. So this is new term for you. And when we add both the digit or three numerals we will add or 4 numerals we will add, and what we get as their answer, this is called their sum. So addition of 2 or 3 digit, the result which came, that is called sum. So sum, it is the result of addition, it is called sum. So result of addition is called sum. There are few properties of addition also. You should be aware about this. First one, a zero added to a number does not change the value of the number. It means if in given number, if we add 0, the number will remain same. 0 didn't affect the given number. Next property of addition is 1 added to a number gives the successor of a number as a sum. So here is one example in front of you. Suppose 76 is a given number. If we add 1 in this, we get 77, and 77 is the successor of 76. It means if any given number we add 1, we will get its successor. Clear? Next, third property of addition is if two numbers are added in any order, their sum remains same. I can explain you this with the example. See the example here. 1445 plus 2216 is equal to 2216 plus 1445. What you have observed here? Only the order is changed. Firstly 1000, this digit was at the first place, now it is at the last. Here it is at second place, now it becomes at first. But numerals remain same. So when we do the sum here, we will find the sum 3661. When we add these two numerals, then also the sum will be same. It means if we change the order of the numerals and their digits are same, then the sum will remain same. No effect on the sum. Clear? Fourth property is there. If three or more numbers are added in a group, their sum remains same. So here we are adding three numerals. First is 165 plus 132 and then 105. Or we can change their order. Firstly we add 165 separately, we keep this separate and we will make the group of 132 and 105. See what happens. Firstly we have grouped this and we find out their sum 295. Means firstly हमने 165 को 132 से plus किया, we get the sum 297. Then we have added third one 105. Then we got our sum 402. Here firstly, we added 132 and 105. Their sum 237. Then we added this one. Then also the sum remained same. So what we have observed? That if we have grouped the digits, but their digits, if we have grouped the numerals, but their digits remain same, then our sum will remain same. If three or more numbers are added in a group, their sum will remain same. With one example, I can clear here this concept. Suppose the question is 135 plus 110 plus 120 is equal to 120 plus 135 plus 110. So what we will do, firstly we will add these one. 110 plus 120, it will be 230. Now we will add this one 135. Our sum is 365. Now we will check this one also. Firstly we will add this group 135 plus 110, 542. Now we will add this separate numeral 120. Here also sum is same. Group's order was changed, but digit, because all numerals were same, so our answer, our sum is also remain same. I think it is clear to you now. Now we can start our exercise 2A. Here heading is find the sum. A, B, C and D part were very easy. There are only two, in those questions only two numerals were given and we have to add that. But here three are given. So I have done this for you. So firstly I have written the digit. First step I have marked the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and up to 10,000. Then I have started writing digits according to their places. 10,000 place 5, 1,000 place 1, 100 place 9, tens place 8, ones place 9. Then the same way 10,000 place 2, 1,000 place 5, 100 place 0, tens place 7, ones place 4 and this one also. Now we will find out their sum. So what was my first step? Firstly, I have marked the places. Then I have start writing the digits. Normally what you have to do, you should write, instead of writing firstly from the thousand place, you should write from the ones place. Start writing from the right side. So firstly you should write 9, 8, 9, 1, then 5. 4, 7, 0, 5, 2. Then start writing from here, ones place 7, tens place, then 100, then 1000, then biggest place. Now what we will do, we mark their periods here. We separate it by commas and start addition. 9 plus 4. 9 keep in mind, 4 count on your fingers, it will be 13. Now 13 keep in your mind, 7 count on your fingers, it become 20. So first ones place I have added 9 plus 4, 13 and 13 plus 7, 20. So what I have done, ones place digit I have written in ones place and tens place digit I will carry in the tens place. So now I will add the tens place digit. 8 plus 2 carry, we carry this, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 we will keep in mind and 4 we will count on our fingers. When we count this 18, 19, 20, 21. Again what happened? This ones place, it become 21. So this 1, 10 I will write here and this 2 will be carried to the 100 place. Now we will add it.